What to wear in Iceland during springtime? We usually have to wait until April for spring to arrive here in Iceland. So, what should you wear in Iceland when you go exploring in April and May? The best thing to bring is a really comfortable fleece shirt. One that zips all the way up and has pockets is extra practical. Fleece is a brilliant material for Iceland because it dries super fast and is really nice and warm. Next, it's key to have great outerwear. And most importantly, outerwear that's waterproof and windproof. A shell jacket is the perfect item for any season in Iceland. Underneath, you can put on as many layers as it takes for you to stay warm. When it comes to trousers, we recommend wearing hiking trousers. Ideally, a pair with a water-repellent finish. We don't recommend wearing jeans because when they get wet, you'll be cold all day. You'll also need warm accessories, such as a headband. And woolen socks is a must-bring item for Iceland. And gloves. It's a good idea to bring 2 pairs of gloves. They tend to get wet and cold fingers isn't fun. Regarding footwear, we always recommend hiking boots. Leave your white sneakers at home. They will not be white anymore after an adventure in Iceland. If you tend to get cold, we recommend that you wear a lightweight woolen base layer. It's the best way to stay warm on an adventure in Iceland. Another item that you'll need is sunglasses, especially if you're driving. And remember your bathing suit. All of the clothes in this video is from the Icelandic brand 66 North, which is one of Guide to Iceland's official partners. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about what to wear in Iceland during spring.